Hi guys, it's Allison from Zitrev, your past for a better you, and today we're gonna be doing 12 minutes back and abs workout. So let's get going. Don't forget to join our community, share, like, and subscribe. In this exercise, just try to lift your right arm with your left leg. Then we're gonna switch to the other arm and leg, and then we're just gonna alternate. Then we're gonna do both. Enjoy the workout. Okay, for this last one, you're just gonna stay up and we're gonna do swimming. So you're gonna move your arms up and down, and at the end, you're just gonna hold the position for a couple seconds. For this next exercise, you're gonna lift your arms and your chest, and then you're gonna pull your arms back when your chest is up. This really has to be feeling the upper back workout. This next exercise, you're gonna interlace your fingers behind your neck and you're just gonna lift your chest up and down. We did this exercise in our Pilates session last week. If you didn't do it with us, you can check it out on the link above. This is just a little stretch. You're just gonna bend your right knee, and then you're gonna take your foot with your left hand, and then you're just gonna try to lift your chest and leg up, and then we're gonna switch to the other side. This is just to stretch your upper and lower back. This next exercise, you're gonna put your arms beside you and you're gonna lift your chest off the ground and put your arms on a T position. Now, we also did this one on the Pilates session last week. You can still check it out on the link above, or you can check it out on our YouTube channel. this is the swan. Now you're just gonna try to lift your chest off the ground, keeping your hands on the ground, and you're just gonna lift your right arm up and down. Then we're gonna switch to the left. The idea here is to activate your upper back, your lower back, and your abs. Okay, let's give our back another stretch. We're gonna go to us rolling on the stomach without the rolling. You're just gonna bend both of your legs. You're gonna grab your feet with your hands and you're gonna lift your chest and your legs off the ground, and then you're gonna come back down. We're gonna do this 2 more times. Okay, and well, we love doing planks in this channel, so we're gonna go for plank. You're gonna stay here for 30 seconds, and then you're gonna move to a higher plank for another 30 seconds. Okay, we're gonna move to another stretch. Now we call this the cat and the camel, and this is what you're just gonna inhale and then you're gonna round your back, and then you're gonna exhale and you're gonna arch your back. We're gonna do a couple of these ones. Really just breathe deep and exhale, long exhales, so you can relax and give a little mobility to your back. Okay, for this next one, we're gonna move to a side twist. You're gonna stay in this position. I call this position the model position. And then you're just gonna lift your hips off the ground, bringing your arm to a T position, and then do this 2 times. And the third one, you're gonna stay up and you're gonna give a nice twist with your back. Now, if you don't feel brave enough to do the twist, it's okay. You can stay holding the position up, and then you can come down, and we're gonna move to the other side. Okay, we're moving on to the ab section because we can't have strong back without strong abs. We're gonna lift our legs to a 90-degree angles, and then we're just going to do crunch in this position. You can also keep your legs on the ground. Now you're gonna stay here and just give a little pulses with your abs up, and then we're gonna move to the next exercise, keeping your legs on a tabletop position and a crunch. You're just gonna tap with both legs to the ground and bring them back up. Now try to reach the other side of your mat with your legs, and try to keep your lower back on the ground. Okay, moving on to a crisscross. This one is just bending one knee, keeping the other leg stretched, and try to reach your elbow to your opposite knee. And then to finish up, we're just gonna keep our legs to a 45-degree angle, arms to the side, and we're just gonna beat our legs like tiny little scissors. And you're done. Thank you so much, you guys, for joining us. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and we'll see you next Wednesday with more content. Bye!